Hello again.
Where am I?
Oh, it's the studio.
Why do you have a Halloween hat? Oh, which hat?
It's not a Halloween hat, Olivia. It's a mystery hat.
Oh, it's a mystery hat.
What?
I think you lost.
What fell out of the mystery hat?
Ah! I won't look.
Well, take something.
Oh.
What is this?
It's a stick.
I'll show it to the camera. What is it?
It's a stick.
A stick. Okay. A stick.
It's a stick.
A stick. Let's put it on the floor. Next, what do we have? Mystery bag.
It's a spoon.
Uh,
It's a plastic spoon.
It's a plastic spoon.
It's
Very
a
important.
plastic spoon.
It's a plastic spoon. Spoon.
It's also a spoon.
Yeah, but it's a
Metal spoon.
plastic
Plastic,
spoon.
metal. Okay.
There we go. A stick, plastic spoon, metal spoon. Go.
Oh.
What is this?
It's a sponge.
A sponge. Yes, a sponge.
It's a sponge.
It's an old sponge. We've got other things. Let's see what else we have here.
That's paper. Paper?
Paper. What else is there?
A candle.
A candle.
A candle.
A candle.
In a metal.
A candle.
Oh, yuck.
It's at the bottom.
Let me. Oh, it's Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, yes.
It was
you can
a bit,
shape it,
it's a bit.
You can shape it like this. Yeah.
It's Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Oh, on the floor.
There's still more things in there?
Yeah, one or two things. What's this? Show it to the camera.
It's a bean.
A bean.
It's. There you go, guys. It's a bean.
It's a bean, yeah. It's a bean.
Tiny weeny
Wait,
bean.
there's one more.
This is.
Yeah, it's very small.
Oh!
It's a coin.
It's a coin.
It's a coin. Now, Olivia.
Not a lot of money, huh?
If you take this coin and you dip it in water, click.
In water?
Yeah. Does it float or does it sink? Boom.
I think it sinks.
You think the coin will sink?
I think the coin will sink.
Well, let's brainstorm.
Okay.
Okay, we have our different objects.
Yes.
Olivia, do you think it will float?
Oh no.
Or
no.
float?
Float.
Or it will sink? It will float or it will sink? A stick. So, I think it will float.
I think it will float. Yes.
Okay. A plastic spoon. What do you think will happen?
I think it will sink.
Sink? You think it will sink? I think it will float.
Oh, okay.
In the middle.
Okay, we don't know. I think it will sink. The metal spoon will go.
I think it will sink. Yes.
I think it will sink.
A sponge.
I think it will float and then it will sink.
So it will sink.
Yes.
I think it will float.
Okay.
In the middle. A coin.
It's going to go. I think it will sink.
It's not I think, it's it will.
Oh, you're sure?
Oh yes, it will sink.
Okay.
Look. A candle.
I think it will float.
I think it will float. Yes. I think a bean.
I don't know.
I don't know. I think it will float.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
Here. Let's put it here. Okay. Play-Doh.
I think it will go down. I'm sure. It will sink.
It will sink?
It will sink.
Okay, it will sink. Okay. Well, let's try it. Okay, so let's check if it floats or if it sinks.
Okay.
The stick.
I think the stick will float.
I think the stick will float too. Yeah.
Yeah!
It floats. Perfect. The plastic spoon. I think the plastic spoon will sink. No, will float.
I said I would sink. You said it would float.
Let's
I
check.
think it will sink.
I think it will float.
No.
1,
Two,
2, 3. Oh! Look, even if we push. Oh no! Okay. The plastic spoon sinks. Okay.
But if you put it, it can. Okay.
The metal spoon.
Broink.
Sink.
It's gonna sink, huh?
Boom! Sink. The candle.
I think it'll float.
I think it will float. Let's try.
Yep.
It floats.
It floats. But
if we push.
it will sink if we push, because it's gonna go. Water's gonna go in it. No, it
Look.
floats, huh?
The
No, it
candle floats.
The candle
It floats.
Okay, it floats.
The Play-Doh.
We said it would sink.
Sink.
I think it will
1,
sink.
2, 3. Oh!
It sinks.
It's-
okay, we get the
It sinks. Okay.
the coin.
The coin. It sinks.
sinks.
It sinks. Okay.
sinks.
The sponge.
The sponge. You said it would sink. I said it would float.
No. I think it will float.
Oh yeah, I said it will float and then sink.
I think it will float 100%. It's filling up with water now. Okay. Now even if it's full of water.
Okay, I get it.
Okay, wait.
No, it floats.
It floats.
It floats.
The sponge floats in water.
We didn't try the bean.
Oh, the bean.
We didn't know. You weren't sure.
I think it will float.
Nope.
Oh, it sinks.
It sinks.
It sinks. It's here.
It's right
The
there.
bean is here.
Right there.
Now, a piece of paper.
Oh, we didn't say that.
A piece of paper.
I think it would. I think if it's very wet, it will sink.
I think it will sink.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Do you think the paper will sink or float?
Let's try.
Yeah. Oh. It floats.
Let's put water on it. Water.
It floats.
At the bottom.
No, it floats.
It floats. The
Kind
paper
of floats. Yeah.
floats. Cool.
Cool.
Hey, can we make a boat
With paper?
with paper? A paper that floats.
Yeah, cool.
Cool. Now, the challenge is we have one piece of paper and we need to invent a boat, something that floats.
Okay.
Floats, really, not no.
Floats.
Okay? Invent something. Okay. Okay,
Wait.
I'm
No,
finished.
I'm not ready.
Wow.
I'm almost ready.
Whoa!
Just give me
That's
second.
a boat!
I know, wait, but it's not a boat. It's
It's a hat.
It's a hat. I know how to make a boat.
It's
wait.
my boat. Look, beautiful, right? That's my boat. Well, it's shaped like this, so...
Now it's a boat.
Okay,
Kind
so
of.
let's try them. 1, 2, 3.
Mine is too big. Wait.
Look, it floats. It's a
know.
boat.
Mine too, but it's too big. I just got.
Oh, and now I've got an idea.
It floats.
It floats. Now
Yep.
let's see. Let's see how much weight we can add in the boats.
Hey.
Okay. Okay. Aha.
Oh wait, you have to put it on this side because if not, it's.
Ooh, it's gonna sink. Your boat is sinking, Olivia! My boat was better.
You're sank too.
Well, now We have to cook and eat the beans.
Oh no.
So, beans for lunch. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.